Yeah, hey, what's up, everybody? I just got to a Fry's location. Whoa, look at this. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I mean, it's all beat it up, mistreated, but I'm taking this thing for sure. You know what I mean? Got to do some digging. Oh, there's another one. Hell yeah, man. That's what's up. Look here, too. Ford Raptor. I'm gonna be trying to do some customs with these trucks. And there's a lot of Chevy Blazers and Broncos. Shoot. Yeah, this is a 2017 by the looks. Yeah, let's see what all we find. Oh man, look, there's another truck. Yeah. Morris Mini. Damn, there's all kinds of good stuff over here. It's a Corvette. Shoot, man. Let's see what all we find right here. These are 2017, so I don't know what I'm looking for. I mean, as far as treasure hunt and supers, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the aisle driver. This one's a cool casting too. Oh, there's a Mopar. Well, I'm gonna take one of those. Man, there's a lot. Oh shoot, man, another truck. Yeah, that's what's up right there, man. Man, oh man, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Somehow people get annoyed according to the comments. Oh, another one. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Yeah, like I was saying, man. A lot of people were, a few, I guess, not a lot actually, but some do bring it up. But it is what it is, you know. And surf crate. I think this one was 2017 Super. This one right here. But like I said, I don't know much. But I am definitely gonna take all the trucks like this one. Well, we'll see what all I take, man. I gotta do some digging. But by the looks, I want to take all the what you call them, the trucks, so I can start on some customizing with the trucks. Well, not all the trucks, but the Ford one at least, or maybe just 4 will do, 5 will do. More there's a Tesla convertible, a Demon Dragon, the Time Attack tuned. It's kind of cool, tuned. Oh, what the heck? I think this is a. Yeah, look, guys. This is the treasure hunt. So plowed. Definitely gonna take this. I do not have it. Yeah. Hopefully there's a super. But like I said, I don't know which was the super, but now I know which one was the treasure hunt. You know what I mean? Man, hopefully. I mean, this case does not look fresh. Does not look in threes and stuff like that. But you never know, you know? You know? Oh, wow, look at this. A Lamborghini. Yeah. I'm gonna take this thing right here too. I haven't seen one of those. Lamborghini. A fair lady. Got like a few of those already. So I'm trying to avoid extras, man. My collection is getting big, super big, and running out of room and stuff. Oh, this is a second one. Second treasure hunt. Another aisle driver. Sure, but man, there's a lot more to go. Let me just put you guys on hold, and I'll take a quick look and see what all I find. All right, guys. I'll be right back, real quick. All right, guys. Look here. Look what I found. 55 Chevy Veilgasser. Even though the car is all bent, I'm still taking it. Very cool casting. Great addition to the collection. And you're not gonna believe this, but look here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 treasure hunts, of which I'm only taking the best 2, or the best that there is, because they're all bent and damaged cards. Oh, I guess I'll take 3 because they are like mint condition. Also, look here. There was 3 of these Lamborghini right here, which I am taking all 3. And look here. Yeah, 3 of these ones right here. And the cards are not in the best shape. Look at this. Just look at this one. This one's terrible. But still, I am taking this beauty. And again, I only found 3. I'm only taking 3. Found an Acura NSX. These 2 right here. And these 5. Which I'm probably just gonna do 4. 4 will do. And then there's that Mopar right here. So this is my takes right here. I should have just shown you guys this. The trucks, the NSX, off duty, the Mopar, 3 of the Screen Time Monkey Garage, 3 of this Huracan Super Trofeo, 3 treasure hunts. No super, but a 55 Chevy Bell Gasser. That's the haul. Other than that, there was one more of those Leo Red Express, but we already got quite a few. These are 2 Lamborghinis, a truck, and look. Yeah, I don't know. It just sucks that the cards are in bad shape. Terrible shape, if you ask me. But yeah, that's it. That's all I'm taking. uh I actually came because there was new bins for the fries, and I came to this one, and surprisingly they have the 2017 sets. But yeah, that's crazy. No supers were found, but like I said, nevertheless, to me this is a super or a rare one. And then if I do start customizing, I might take it forward, because I mean I'm new to customizing, so I don't know if I'll messed up, you know. But you learn by trying. Practice makes perfect. But yeah, I'll probably take another one of these trucks. But that's about it. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, no supers were found. Anyways, happy huntings. When you spend $15 on select cosmetics, hair care, and skincare items with your shopper's card. Then create a fresh look of beauty panties that fit your vibe.